Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple egg curry recipe in a cooker. We can make this recipe in 20 minutes. Serve it along with rice, porotta, rotti or chapathi for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Keep it low flame and add 2 dry red chillies cut into halves. Mix it for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, add 2 chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon chopped ginger, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 5 sliced onions, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame until the onion turns soft. Keep it low flame and we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on medium flame. Then add 1 cup of hot water and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid, switch on the flame again. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar. Mix it well. Then add 5 eggs. Break the eggs with a knife to get flavor absorbed. Mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Cooker egg gravy curry is ready. We can make this recipe in 20 minutes. Serve it along with rice, porotta, roti or chapathi for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.